Cockroaches are believed to survive for long in extreme conditions. A quick conversation between an old cockroach couple.
Do you remember the day we got married?
Ooh, yes! The day the earthquake came. So much has changed since then.
Not really. Look at him. Nothing has changed much with him. He hasn't learnt a bit what to do when earthquake comes.
During an earthquake, stay calm. Do not panic. Stay away from mirrors and windows. Drop under a table. Cover your head with one hand and hold the table till the tremors last. Do not exit the building when it is shaking. Run outside as soon as the tremors stop. Learn to survive an earthquake now. Be smart. Be prepared.